Humble tactical glasses with cleaning cloth, pouch, EVA case and so on. Anti-impact PC lens. Interchangeable lens with optional colors. Soft rubber nose pad, adjustable tempo length. Interchangeable elastic strap. Optical insert, can be installed prescription lenses. Full focus on OEM customization of various types of glasses and goggles. Looking forward to your inquiries.